अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। या रब्बी लकल हम्दु कमा यंबगी ली जलाली वजहिका व अज़ीमी सुल्तानिक। अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बना लकल हम्दु बिमा खलक़तना व रज़क़तना व हदैतना व फ़र्रजता अन्ना। अल्लाहुम्मा लकल हम्दु बिल इस्लाम व लकल हम्दु बिल ईमान व लकल हम्दु बिल कुरआन। अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बना ज़िदना इल्मा। अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़्हिना फ़िद्दीन। अल्लाहुम्मा इन्ना नसअलुका इल्मन नाफ़िअन व अमलन मुतक़ब्बलन व रिज़्क़न तय्यिबा। अल्लाहुम्मा सब्बितना इंदल मौती बिला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन। रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर। अल्लाहुम्मा जल अमलना कुल्लहु सालिहन वजअलहु लिवजहिका खालिसन वला तजअल लिअहदिन फीहि शैआ। Amin Ya Rabbil Alameen. We have spent quite a time on this slide, understanding all these different kind of pronouns. So today, inshallah, we are going to end with interesting more facts that we did not notice before. So who can remind me how many different kind of dhamir we have discussed and what are they? Quickly.
There are two kind of zamair,
Hmm?
mustatir and munfasil. And munfasil is two
Even
kind.
before that, Appa, start from the scratch. Two kinds of pronouns,
Yeah,
mustatir,
munfasil and muttasil.
mustatir and baris.
Oh, yeah, mustatir and baris. And when you open the baris, then muttasil and munfasil. And munfasil has two type of
They
rafa and nasab.
two
Marfu.
status, yeah. So based on when we say the mir mustatir, so basically we are saying that the mir could be of two kinds, right?
Yeah,
Mustatir and baris.
and baris
Mustatir are related to what?
are
Where we can
related
find them?
mazi, mudare and amar.
So only in
In Madi, Huwa,
in
and Hiya.
in afal. They are afal,
In
right?
Afalullah. Yeah, in
Yeah.
Madi,
So
Huwa, and Hiya.
exactly. So damir mustatir are related to only afal, right? And we
Yeah,
can find them in fail madi, in huwa and hiya. We can find them in fail mudariya, huwa, hiya, anta, uh,
Ana and Nahnu.
ana, and nahnu. These five, right? And
Yeah,
then in amar we can find them
Anta.
in anta. Okay, so mustatir is done.
Hmm.
Then comes our baris business.
Yeah,
So
Baris
of two kinds.
of two kind, Mustatir and Muttasil.
Mun,
Muttasil.
munfasil and muttasil.
Munfasil and Muttasil. So
Okay.
Munfasil, they are two kind of
What,
Marfu,
how, why we are categorize them into? What
because
is the reason?
Mustatir is a hiding. We cannot see that. And Munfasil, they are by itself.
You are keep saying
They
apa
are attached.
muttasil. So muttasil,
Muttasil, they
munfasil
are
and
attached.
muttasil.
They are attached to Afal. In Afal. They are in Afal.
Mustatir. So that is done. We are not talking about mustatir anymore now, right?
Hmm.
We are on muttasil or munfasil, right?
Yeah, Muttasil,
Okay.
they attach in Afal. Right? Muttasil
Yeah,
and
they can
Munfas.
also no, but I'm taking you step by step. So you need to answer what I'm asking.
Oh,
Okay. So
okay.
we are saying that okay, the mere baris could be of two kinds. The mere baris can be of two kinds. Why or on what base we are categorizing them into? What is the reason?
Because sometimes Zamir we can see there and sometimes we cannot see that.
No, that is
We
already
see.
done. That is already done. Mustatir and Bari's business already done. We already described that. Now we are saying that, okay, the mere Baris can be of two kinds. Right?
Yeah, we have two kind of that.
The
Zamir
mere
Baris.
Baris are Munfasil and Muttasil.
Yes.
So now we are categorizing Munfasil into two as well. Why?
Because they are standing by itself. Munfasil.
Yeah, that is their marker. That is how we know about them. That is their definition. But why we are categorizing them in two? Who can answer my question?
Because when they are itself, they're huwa here and here. And when they are mansub, they are iya plus ka.
Yeah. So based on what we are categorizing them? What is that? They
When
can be
they are.
marfu, they can be mansoob, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So what are these mansoob and marfu business?
So mansub, they are by itself.
Based on their status, right?
So, yeah,
Okay.
based on their
Okay.
status.
Okay. So I'm confusing you, right? I want you to understand why all these categories are, and this is for everyone. So I'm gonna say one last time, and then I'm gonna ask one of you to explain the way I'm doing it. So we are saying that the Mayer could be of two kinds, the Mir Baris and Mustatir. And Mustatir, we said they are only related to Afal, right? So we are not going to worry a lot about them. And we know that there are, we can find them in Madi, Mudariya, and Amr. That's it. Mustatir is done. And that was kind of the Mayer based on we can see them or we cannot see them, right?
Yeah.
So they are visible or they are not visible. So based on that, we are categorizing them into Baris and Mustatir. Then the my Baris, we are going to categorize into two. The Mir Munfasil and the Mir Muttasil. What is that categorization about? What is the base of that? Why we are having two groups, the Mir Munfasil and Muttasil?
One is state of marfu or rafa, and the second is the state of
No.
One can stand independently.
Dependent.
Some are attached and some are detached.
Exactly. That is the reason. We should know why we are categorizing them in two. Right? Based on how they're gonna look like. The Mir Munfasil gonna stand by itself. Right?
So that's why I was saying they are standing by them itself.
Yes. So they are gonna stand by themselves and they are going to be attached. So based on that, we have two category of the Mir Baris, right? Munfasil and Muttasil. Now, then we are saying the Mir Munfasil can be of two kinds. Now, why we are categorizing them into?
As per their role.
Not role. Yeah, your role we can say, but I wanna hear a exact word.
Marfu and mansub.
Yeah, based on their status.
Status.
Okay. So the Mir Munfasil, we are categorizing based on their status. They can be marfu or they can be mansub. Marfu when they are huwa, hiya, whom, right? All these 14 pronoun, they are marfu. They are always going to stand by themselves, right? And they are always going to play the role of mubtada, right? So they are marfu. Then mansub, we said that it basically this is attached pronoun, right? But it is taking the support of iya and gonna stand by itself. right? Iyaka, Iyahu, Iyana. We see all these in Quran Pak, right? So what is happening? The Damir Muttasil is coming and going to stand by itself now with the help of Iya, and now the status gonna remains still mansoob of it, right? But it is standing by itself. So the base on their status, we are categorizing them into two groups, marfu and mansoob. Is that clear?
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Okay, now someone need to say that. Start from the beginning. How many different kind of pronouns and how we are categorizing and why are we categorizing? You should understand.
Can I try, Ustada?
Go ahead.
So damir are of two kinds, baris and mustatir. Mustatir, we said it occurs in the af'al. So madi, mudari, and amr. So madi huwa hiya. Bari will be huwa hiya anta ana nahnu. And amr will be anta. Then we have baris. Baris are the visible ones. So it is further divided into two, munfasil and muttasil, because based on how they look. Sometimes we will see them like attached and sometimes detached. And then munfasil is further divided into two categories based on the status. So they are rafa and nasab. So rafa will be all 14 sighas. Nasab will be when you give the example of iyaka, iyana. The attached pronoun will take help of iya and it will look separately. So that will be the role will still be nasab.
Very good. Very good. Is everyone clear and you guys are able to say the whole thing like that? So we're gonna go in order when we are explaining, and the explanation should be all clear what we are talking about, why we are categorizing them, right? So we should know why we are making them into different groups. That is the reason. Now comes Damir Muttasil. Damir Muttasil or attached pronoun, they can be of three kinds. Again, why we are categorizing into three?
Depending on the status.
Exactly. Again, based on their status. They can be rafa, they can be mansoob, and they can be majroor. When can they be rafa?
When it is come within the afal.
When they are?
Come with the afal, madi, mudariya, and ab.
Okay, and what are they? Can you name them?
Ustada, exceptions बोल रही हैं आप पूरे सारे.
All of them.
In Madi, there are anta, antuma.
No, I don't want that. No. I want exact letters that are going to describe Damir, Muttasil, Marfu. What are they?
Is it Wawul Jama and Alif Ithnain?
Exactly. So go in order. The first one is
Huwa.
Alif Ithnain. First one is Alif Ithnain. Second one is
Huma.
No, I don't want to hear that. I want exact letter that is we're gonna call that is Damir Muttasil Marfu.
It's a Huma. Aliful Isnain.
Exactly. Aliful Isnain.
And Wawul Jama.
Aliful Jama.
Noon Niswa.
Next is Aliful Isnain.
Yes, Taul Mukhat. Yeah, but all these tas in Madi first. Okay, we are going in order. So first we're gonna take Madi and then we're gonna go to Mudariya. So all these tas, ta, tuma, tum, ti, tuma, tunna, right? All the tas in there. So Taul file, they have a name. Taul file. And then Naul filein.
Yeah.
Right? So that is all Madi. And they are the Damir Muttasil Marfu. Okay, so they are the Damir Muttasil Marfu. So they are different than the other Damir Muttasil. Because the other Damir Muttasil is who, huma and whom, or ha, right? All these ones. But these Marfu one are different. Right? And we are keep repeating them. So now they should come out of our mouth easily. So someone else need to say all these Damir, Muttasil, Marfu I want to hear in order. First Madi, then Mudariya. Go ahead.
Madi is Alif Musanna.
Yes.
Waw Jama. And all ta.
Go in order.
Ta,
go in order. When you go in order, then
okay,
you not take
Ustazah.
mistake.
Anta. Anta.
No,
Ta.
before Anta, no. Where is Nunu Niswa?
Nunu Niswa. Oh, sorry. In order. Okay, Ustazah, I am telling again.
So listen to me. Listen to me. Okay. When we keep things, that is lesson for everyone. When we are memorizing something, try to keep them in order. Then you are not going to miss anything. But when you just go random here and there, probably you're going to miss something. Okay, so this is how I memorize things, and this is I'm giving you advice. Okay?
Okay, Ustazah, inshallah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Alif Musanna, Waw Jama, then Nunun Niswa.
Okay, what is the difference between Musanna and Isnain?
Isnain is Alif, dual.
Yeah, Musanna
second person.
Musanna we call in Muslimani.
Yeah.
Okay, so over here we need to use the right term. I'm saying Alifu Isnain, right?
Alifu Isnain.
Yes. So Alifu Isnain, then?
Alifu Isnain, Wawul Jama, Nunun Niswa, Ta, Tuma, Tum.
What is the name of the?
Ta is Anta is
Taul
Failina.
Taul Khitab.
Okay.
Taul Khitab.
Taul
I think
Khitab.
we discussed that, right?
I missed those classes. Sorry. If anyone can...
So when you miss it, so what is the responsibility?
Sorry, Ustazah. Yeah, inshallah, I will make it.
And I have given you guys homework as well. So we should not be repeating that. How many lessons we already repeated on that, right? So if we will keep repeating, how are we going to move on? So this is all over here. Alifu Isnain, Wawul Jama, Nunu Niswa, Ta'ul Fa'il. So all these tas. Right? Ta'ul Fa'il. So now Ta'ul Fa'il even two kinds. Right?
Yes, sister.
Why we are having two kinds?
Because we have Ana too.
Yeah, so Ana is the first person.
Yeah.
Right? The other tas are second person. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So we need to remember that as well. So it has all these tas. And then Naul Mutakallimin or Naul Fa'ilin, whatever you want to call. Right? And I gave you this word as well. Tina or Atina, whatever you can come out, how you can make a word or something. So that can help you understand and remember. Right?
Yes, sister.
Okay, so sorry if I'm being tough, but this is how it should be. When we done a lesson, I think, okay, I'm done and I want to move on. But when I ask you guys, sometimes I do not get the response. So how should I feel then?
Very well.
Okay.
Sorry, Ustaza. Inshallah, I will make it.
And that is for everyone, my love.
Yes.
You are
Yes,
brave
Ustaza,
enough
sorry.
to come here and you are facing me, but other are just sitting quiet over here, right? So it's not only for you, it's for everyone. We need to put some effort. If we are here, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has bring us here, then we need to put our effort as well, right? So just coming here is not good enough. Okay, so now the Mir Muttasil Marfu part is done, right? How many these letters gonna represent the Mir Muttasil Marfu? We have Alif, we have Waw, we have
Niswan,
we have all these Tas.
Ta, and then Naul Filing.
Now Fileen, and one is missing, which gonna be in Fi'l Mudariya.
Yeah, Ina.
The Ya? Yeah.
Ina.
Yaul Mukhataba.
Ya Mukhataba, yeah.
So there are 6 of them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the Mir Muttasil Marfu are how many? 6. The Mir Muttasil Marfu are 6. We need to remember them. Okay, then Mansoob, alhamdulillah, we are all aware of it. And Majroor, we all aware of it, right? Idafa fragment, we're gonna find them in Idafa. All these muttasil pronoun, they can be Majroor bil Idafa. And when Jar Majroor is coming, they are Isam Majroor, right? So just one thing about the Mir Muttasil, the first person one, Ya and Na. So about Ya and Na, so look at over here. What do you guys think about Na? Anything special you ever thought about it? Now we know that, okay, these Damir Muttasil can be Marfu as well, right? So think about it, this Na. Is this Na among the Damir Muttasil Marfu?
हमारा
No.
Majroor.
Is this
without
Na,
Majroor, yeah.
One is Rabbana.
is this Na part of our Damir Muttasil Marfu?
Yeah, now Filing was there.
Yeah, I say Naul Filing.
Yeah, now Filing was there.
So this Na is here,
Mm-hmm.
right? So now what do you guys think about this Na? If it comes to the
it's a Majroor.
Mansoob. Don't know.
If it's an
Because
Idafa,
it is Idafa fragment and
it would
it is
be
a
Majroor.
Mudaf
No,
ilayhi. It should be
okay.
in,
No, listen to my question. I'm asking you guys, is the Mir Muttasil Marfu, when we, this Na include in the Mir Muttasil Marfu list
yes.
or not?
Yes.
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 Na
It is
mutakallim mein hai.
included, right?
Yes.
So that means this Na, which is the Mir Muttasil, it could be Rafa, it could be Nasr, it could be Jar.
Yes.
Right? So this is special about this Na. No other Damir Muttasil Marfu is fitting in that category. But this Na can. You understand?
यानी बाकी सब बाकी
Yes.
सब जो मुत्तसिल है वो मरफू ही होंगे, लेकिन एक्सेप्शन ना है जो कि 3 स्टेटस ले सकता है.
Yes.
लीन ना में भी ये मजरूर होगा. हाँ.
So now look at this dua over here. Rabbana innana amanna lana zunubana qina, right? Look all these this dua. Alladhina yaquluna, right? Those, they said, or they are saying, Rabbana, our Rabb, innana, indeed we are, amanna, we believed, faghfir lana, so you forgive lana for us, dhunubana, our dhunub, wakina, and you save us, adhabannar, from adhabannar. Right? How many nas, subhanallah, over here? Right? And now look, all their different status. Rabbana.
It is
So
a
over
majroor.
here, Rabbana. ضمير متصل مبني على سكون في محل جر مضاف إليه. This na is مضاف إليه, right?
Yes.
Okay, but one question over here. الذين يقولون ربنا. Why it is ربنا?
मुनादी है ना उसका ऐ हमारे रब.
So what is missing?
या.
Yeah.
Exactly. Ya is missing over here, right? So actually it is Ya Rabbana. O our Rabb. Right? And when we are calling to Idafa fragment, right? So then the Isam always take a, that is always Mansoob. We cannot say Ya Rabbuna. That would be wrong.
Yeah.
Right? Always Ya Rabbana. So that's why it's Rabba is a Mansoob over here because it is Munada Mansoob. Okay, now, so this na is our Mudaf ilayhi, fi mahalli jar, right? Innana.
Mansoob.
Innana.
That is a
Mansoob.
Mansoob.
Isim.
This is a sum of inna.
Yeah.
So damir muttasil mabni ala sukoon. Why we are saying mabni ala sukoon? Why we are calling mabni ala sukoon?
Because of alif.
Because alif.
Yes, because this alif has sukoon.
Empty. Yes.
Okay, this alif has sukoon. So damir muttasil na always mabni ala sukoon. Okay, always mabni ala sukoon. If nunu niswa, like let me put if I say Rabbahunna. Rabbahunna. What is the meaning of Rabbahunna?
उसका
Female.
Rub of those
They-
ladies.
Rabb of all these ladies, right?
Ladies, yeah.
So
Yeah.
now if I'm gonna describe this hunna, mabni ala what?
Fatha.
मबनी अला फतह.
Mabni ala fatha. Okay, so we are always look at the last letter, how it is mabni. All these damair are mabni. You guys agree, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
All these damair are mabni.
Mabni.
Even haruf are mabni. Okay, haruf are mabni. So this is how we say mabni. Okay, now amanna.
Aslama family. So noon is a marfu.
Maf'ul bi. Maf'ul.
Maful. Astaghfirullah.
No, file.
Amanna.
It is like naswarna.
Yes.
Amanna. This is amana.
Amana plus now.
Amana. Now you guys do the conjugation. Amana.
Aslama family.
Amanu. Amanat. Amanata. Amanna. Right? So Shadda came. Why Shadda came? On hunna?
Because the
There is
Because-
Nunu Niswa we need to
No.
attach, right?
Yes.
So Nunu Niswa going to attach, and this is how it become Amanna.
Not Niswa, Ustaza. With the
No, Niswa.
na filing.
No, I'm talking about Nunu Niswa.
Oh, okay. No, Niswa. Okay.
Are you listening to my conjugation?
Oh, not alif, right?
Sorry?
Not alif. Nun Niswa. Are you talking about Nun
Oh,
Niswa?
you guys cannot see
Yes,
my
yes, yes.
writing.
There's a
Do you guys pay
no.
attention where I am writing?
Oh, I did not.
Yes.
We saw that now.
So always when I always write, so you guys need to look. Okay. So amanna, we are attaching, we are talking about hunna over here.
Hunna.
Right?
Yes.
So this is a man.
Man.
So
Nun Niswa.
amana, this is huwa version, and then we come to hunna. Hunna version, right? So now we have two noon. It will become a manna.
Man.
And then what gonna happen after hunna? Amanta.
Middle last letter takes sukoon.
Amantunna.
And then ana, amantu, nahnu, amanna.
Amanna.
Right?
Yes.
So this is how it's gonna work. Amanna. So this is the Mir Muttasil,
Mabni ala sukun.
Mabni ala Sukoon, and Fi Mahalli Rafa. Right? Fi Mahalli Rafa. Why Rafa?
File.
Because it
This
is
is the file.
File.
See, this is Naul Filein,
File.
Nauf Mutakallamin. Right? Then comes Lana.
Majroor.
Amanna faghfir lana. So we know Islam is harfu jar.
Al-Fajr.
Na is damir muttasil. Mabni ala sukoon. Fi mahalli jar is majroor, right?
Yes. Majroor.
Then zunubana.
Idafa.
Idafa fragment again. So this na is fi mahalli jar.
Majroor.
Kina.
Kina is Amar.
Majroor.
Yeah. You guys know how kina work? How it comes to ki?
Yeah, this is
This is waka
Waqwa.
yaki, right? So what kind of verb is that? Waka.
It is Lafif.
Nakis.
नहीं दो है ना लफीफ 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 है.
This is Lafif.
Lafif, yeah. Wow, done, yeah.
मुफर्रकुन.
Makroon
लफीफ
or
मुकर्रनुन. Different फर्क.
Mafrook.
मफरूक.
Lafif Mafrook, right? So it is, and it is also basically
Wow.
wow is so we're not gonna call it misal because it has two root letters weak, right? It doesn't
Yes.
fall in misal. But when the first root letter is weak, then it can also call misal. But over here, two root letters are weak, so that's why it is lafif mafrook. Mafrook mean it they are not side; they have
separated by.
Yeah. So waka yaki, right? And
Yes.
now, if I
Amar.
have the anta version taki,
Taki.
right? You drop this,
and then key.
right? And only key left. Subhanallah. And this wow, wakina, right? So sometimes we think that, okay, this wow is the part of the root letter. No, it's not, right?
It's wow.
Only qaf, right? Only qaf. So you save, and this, what is this na?
No.
Maf'ul.
That means the same.
Save who? Save us,
Yes.
right? So this is nasab. This is mafulun bihi.
Yeah, mafulun bihi.
Subhanallah. Did we ever pay that much attention?
Nasab mafulun bihi.
We say this dua many times, but did we ever pay that much attention to it?
No, sister, we don't. Only after you explain, it's clear.
So this is how we should be paying attention to ayat. At least 1-2 ayat on daily basis, we should go there deeply. Right? So then only we are going to able to retain the knowledge. So this na is special, and it could be, this is the Mir Muttasil, right? But it can be found in all three, Rafa, Nasab, and Jar. Okay, then comes another something about Ya Mutakallim. So Ya Mutakallim is also, okay, I'm gonna come to Ya later. So Ya Mutakallim, so we know that ism plus attached pronoun is always our idafa fragment, right? So, but when it comes to Ya Mutakallim attaching to our ism, right? Being it mudaf ilayhi, what do we notice? That in Rafa, Nasab, and Jar, all three status, it's gonna look the same. It is not going to let the ism before it showing the status Rafa, Nasab, and Jar. Why? Because this Ya always want kasra before it, right? So even though kitabuhu, look at kitabuhu, right? I can clearly see that this kitabu is Rafa. Kitabuhu.
Yeah.
In all these pronouns, kitabuhuma, kitabuhum, kitabuha, right? Kitabukunna. Now, but when it comes to Ya Mutakallim, what happened?
Kitabi.
Kitabi. Why? Because Ya Mutakallim need a kasra before it. So how we are going to figure it out that what is the status of that ism, that is the context gonna help us out. Otherwise, there is no way to find out, because kitab, like any ism, before Ya Mutakallim, it need to take a kasra before it. For example, kitabi jadidun. What is the translation?
My book
My
is
new book.
my book is new.
My
Who is
book is
saying my
new.
new book? When I say my new book,
My book is new.
what is
No.
that?
Yeah. This
What
is
is
Fragment.
that?
It is a fragment.
Fragments.
It's a
Sifa Mawsuf.
fragment.
It's Sifa Mawsuf.
That is a fragment.
This is Mosuf Sifa fragment,
so
Yes.
right? But over here, it is a
Sentence.
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 Kitabi. Can kitabi my mubtada?
yes.
Yes, Ustada.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, because
Kitabi
pronoun is
my
a
mubtada,
It is idafa, yeah.
Because
right?
Yes,
mubtada
Ustada.
can idafa can be mubtada.
Ya is marifa.
So
Proper.
kitabu,
All
Plus
yes, kitabu plus ya, right? I'm saying my book is new.
yeah.
So kitabu is my mubtada and jadidun is my khabar.
Mhm.
Then I can say inna kitabi jadid.
Indeed, my book is new.
Kitaba.
So now it's not
kitabi.
letting me
Here
having a
also
fatha,
kitabi.
You are supposed to have fatha, yeah.
right? But context can help me out. That if it is Rafa Nasab or Jar. Then if I want to say, I read my new book. I read that in my new book. I read something in my new book, right? So, akra'u, I read, fi, in, kitabi. What should be the status of kitabi?
That is
Jar.
jar.
Ism majroor.
This is
Yeah,
ism
it's a
majroor wa
majroor,
idafa.
right?
Yeah.
So, but it is not showing me.
Hmm.
So that happened with ya mutakallim. So ya mutakallim does not show us even over here when we have a small khamsa. What happened? I can say akhuhu, right? So this waw is telling me I'm Rafa, right? A small khamsa, we remember, right? Their status, Rafa Nasab, look different than regular status, right?
Yes.
Their waw is Rafa, their alif is
Nasab.
Nasab, and ya is jar, right?
Is jar.
Yeah. So now akhuhu, akhuhuma, akhuhum. But when it comes to ya mutakallim, akhi, right? So it is Rafa over here, but it's not gonna show. So akhi karimun, what is the translation?
My brother is noble.
Yeah, akhi karimun, my brother is noble. So this is a sentence. Now akhi is mubtada, karimun is my khabar. I can also say inna akhi karimun, someone is not believing. So I'm emphasizing it, right? So inna akhi is ismu inna and karimun is the khabar. Then if I wanna say this is for my brother, hada li akhi. So li harfu jar, akhi is a majroor. Over here it makes sense, right?
Yeah.
So but the rest we need to figure it out. So this is about ya mutakallim. And now
I have a question, Ustaza.
sorry.
I have a question. If it is ya mutakallim, when we do the Arab, we say is it muqaddara, rafa, dhamma, or we say how do we say it, mahalli, or we say it is muqaddara?
We say that it is not taking dhamma or fatha because of sakal, because it's like it's heavy. We cannot put fatha or dhamma, something like that.
Oh, because we don't say zahira, right? We say it's a muqaddara because it's hidden.
Not muqaddara, no, not gonna say muqaddara. Rather, we're gonna say if we cannot put on it because of it is going to be heavy on the tongue, right?
Okay.
Yeah, something is like that is going to be added.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, then one more thing before I further explain ya mutakallim. Over here, an harfu jar, right? When it comes to ya, we say anni, right?
Yeah.
So we have an, and then ya mutakallim, sorry, an and ya mutakallim, right? So where this shadda is coming from, because we're gonna say anni, right? Where this shadda is coming from, because they say actually nunu wakaya is being added over here. Okay, so nunu wakaya is over there, and that's why we always say anni and anna. Anna, we know that, okay, we have two noons, right? So an, and then we have na, and then we are getting shadda because of two noons over here. But over here we don't have two noons, right? So where the other noon is coming from, this is basically Nunul Wakaya coming in. So that's why we have Anni and Anna. And then comes over here. So now look at the Irab of Ya Mutakallim.
Father, I have a question on that.
Huh?
So what is the role of Nunul Wakaya?
Nunul Wakaya, we're gonna find that with the fail, right? And now we are seeing that it can come with the harf as well, right? So with the fail, you will see Nasara. What is Nasara?
He helped.
He helped.
And now I'm gonna say he helped me. What should I do?
Nasarani.
Right? Nasarani.
Nasarani.
So he helped me. So what is this noon doing here? If let's say if I have Naswara and I want to say Ya Mutakallim, now we already saw what Ya Mutakallim gonna do. What it's gonna ask for?
It needs a
Kasra.
kasra.
It's gonna ask for a kasra over here. And if I give a kasra, it's gonna mess up my fail madi.
Yeah, we cannot do that.
Right? Because fail madi is supposed to end with fatha. So that's why what they did, they said, okay, we are going to give you a noon over here, right? And you can give this noon a kasra. And now we have happily Nasara ni. So that's why this noon is called Noonul Vikaya. We just saw the Wakina, same root letter.
Okay.
Right? From Wakayaki.
Yeah.
So Noonul Wakaya, noon of protection. So this is Masdar. Right? So this is we call noon of protection. Because this noon has protected the fail for messing up. So same Nunu Vakaya is coming with an. That's why we have Shadda Anni.
Okay.
Why? Okay, now comes Irab of Ya Mutakallim. We already saw Rafa, Nasab, Jar. Right? In all three, it's gonna be Kitabi. Right? Then with Asmaul Khamsa, that was Murakkabe Idafi. Right? So any Murakkabe Idafi, ism plus attached pronoun, the Ya Mutakallim, right? We always gonna end up having something like that. Kasra before Ya Mutakallim. Right? Then comes a small Khamsa. Abu, it's Rafa version. Abba, it's Nasab version. And Abi, it's Jar version, right? And you add Ya Mutakallim with it. All three, we're gonna end up having Abi. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now comes Musanna when we are making dual. So, Walidun, Walidan, Walidin, right? Singular. Now comes Walidani. Walidani, Walidaini. Right? You put Ya Mutakallim with it. Doesn't matter it is Rafa or Nasab and Jar. It's gonna end up Walidayya. With Fatha on it. Walidayya. Why Walidayya? Where these two Ya coming from?
One ya is replaced with alif. खत्म उसका noon drop हो जाएगा.
Exactly, because we are making idafa fragment, right? So we're gonna drop this noon.
Okay,
we have two yas.
तो अलिफ बचा, अलिफ बचा होगा पहले में, तो उसका या में तब्दील कर देंगे और दोनों या हो जाएंगे,
Exactly.
तो वालिदाई
In
दोनों
walidani,
नसब में या है।
exactly. In walidani, we drop this noon because we're gonna make it idafa fragment, but we have this alif. This alif is going to be changed into ya. And now we have two yas in walidani and walidaya. So walidani or walidaini both gonna look like walidaya in musanna. In jama muzakkar, waliduna, parents. And now when I add ya mutakallim with it, it will become wali diya. Wali diya with kasra. So with kasra is jama muzakkar salim, and with fatha it is musanna. This is how they differentiated it. And this example in Quran Pak, muhsiniya. So what is this muhsiniya? So actually it was muhsinuna, right? And then ya mutakallim came with it. We drop this noon to make it idafa fragment, and this waw has changed into ya, right? And when we have ya, obviously there was dhamma, but according to ya we have to change it into kasra, and this is how it become muhsiniya, my muhsin.
Assalamu alaikum, Ustadha.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Can you one more time dual marfu and plural marfu? Can you explain one more time?
Okay, so what's going on in Okay, what's going on over here is I said when we have musanna, so wali walidani, right? This is our musanna, and walidaini. So you add ya mutakallim, you wanna say my two parents. My two parents, what gonna happen? You need to add ya mutakallim. And since walidani, we are making it idafa fragment, what do?
Drop the noon.
We drop the noon, right? And I drop the noon and I add ya mutakallim. Can I pronounce it?
No.
Right? This alif is a problem over here.
Two sukun together.
Yeah, two sukuns together. So that's why what's gonna happen? This alif is going to be changed into ya.
Okay.
Right? And now we have two yas, so we're gonna keep this fatha, right? And we are giving this shadda. So this is how it become wali dayya in both forms, in rafa and in nasab and jar as well. Basically all three.
So fatha for the representation of alif, like fatha from...
Yeah, you can say that. So this fatha is telling me that this is musanna.
Okay.
Okay? Two parents we are talking about. But when we are talking about jama, four fathers, right? Then it's gonna take a kasra. Wali diya. Okay, so
waliduna, so we drop the noon, so it is do, walidu plus es sukun, right?
Which one you are talking about? This one over here?
Plural one, like
yeah.
waliduna.
Okay, so we drop this noon, right? So again, two sukun together, right? So they change into ya, right? But you can think this way because to make it different than musanna, right? They give it a kasra because in nasab and jar version, you see a kasra over here. Or in if you just follow this one over here. So we drop this noon, right? And now we have ya and ya. So walidiya, right? So you can clearly able to see over here how they did it. But in waliduna, you have to bring some changes. So you are changing this waw into ya, basically. Right?
Okay.
And giving a kasra according to ya.
So our original ya mutakallim has ya sukun, right?
Ya sukun.
Okay.
But now since two yas are together, so that's why we need to merge them.
So one ya we are giving fatha.
Yeah. So in Musanna, we are giving them fatha, and in Jama Muzakkar, we are giving them
Kasra.
kasra. And this kasra example you will see in Quran Pak. So I have given you the example of muhsinuna. Right? So this is the example of plural, Jama Muzakkar Salim. And you will see muhsiniya. So I have more example, but look at harfu jar over here. So when we have ala plus ya mutakallim, right, it will become alayya. Ila plus ya mutakallim, ilayya. Fi plus ya mutakallim, fiyya. So this one is easy, clearly we can see yes, and just we are merging, right?
What about like if I say with me or like me with the ba and ka?
What do you mean?
Like harfuzar, there is ba and ka, right?
Huh?
So if I say ba, like ba plus with me or ka plus yes.
Biya.
Oh.
Like me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, still gonna be, I think it should come with kasra. Sorry.
So like you, anta, or like you, anti.
Kaki.
Like harfuzar or domir muttasil.
Yeah, so that's ka.
Not domir muttasil, harfuzar ka.
Ka and ka.
No, harfuzar ka only one. Sorry, I misgave.
Okay, do not bring just random question. If you have an example, then
no, with the half, that's what I'm thinking. Like with the half.
Yeah, so that is thinking after the class, please. Okay, so now.
The reason we are giving extra ya because we already have ya, right? That's the.
Yeah, in harfu jar, ala, ila, because yeah.
No, in this walidayya, we giving ya extra because there was already ya mutakallim was there, so we gave extra ya there, taking out instead of alif we gave ya. And
yeah, exactly. Yeah. If we look at nasab and jar version, then it's easy to understand, right?
Yes. Okay.
But in Rafa version, it's little tricky. Then we need to play around because these haruf alif and waw is going to be changed according to ya, right? So we are changing these alif and waw, but in nasab and jar version we can clearly see what's going on, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now moving on. Look at the dua over here. Rabbana firli wali dayya. How many parents they are talking about?
Two.
So this is musanna, right? Wali dayya. So Rabbana firli wali dayya walil mu'minina yawma yaqumul hisab, right? Then another Quranic example. Rabbi auzi'ni an ashkura ni'mataka allati an'amta alayya, see, alayya wa ala walidayya. How many parents? This is also talking about musanna, right? وَأَنْ عَمَلَ صَالِحًا تَرْضَاهُ وَأَصْلِحْ لِي فِي ذُرِّيَّتِي إِنِّي تُبْتُ إِلَيْكَ وَإِنِّي مِنَ الْمُسْلِمِينَ. Okay, then the plural example you can see not with the parents but over here. Ma ana bimusrihikum wa ma antum bimusrihi. So what's going on over here?
That is supposed to be plural.
Yeah. So it is musrihuna.
Yeah.
What is this word mean?
mean
helping.
Madad
Yes. I cannot help you. Ma ana. This ma is ma nafiya. Ma ana bi musrikikum. I cannot help you. Wama, neither you, antum, you, bi musrihi. Right? Neither you all cannot help me. Right? So this is not, this is plural because it says antum. Antum is telling us, right? You all would not be able to help me. So this word is musrihuna. Musrihuna, right? Jama muzakkar salim. And then adding ya mutakallim with it. What happened? It is becoming idafa fragment. We have to drop this noon.
Noon har jayega. Wow.
Wow will drop, it will become ya. And then you will get the shadda because of two ya.
Yes. And then according
the
to ya,
will
we
get
need
the
to give it a
kasra because
kasra.
of the ya.
So it will become musrihiyya. Okay? Make sense or hard to digest?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उस्ताद, यानी यहाँ पर पहला जो है शैतान अकेला था तो इसलिए मुस्रिफ आया। अब उसके साथ ही जमा है तो मुस्रिफूना।
Exactly.
तो इदाफा बन रहा है तो ऊना हट जाएगा और वाव की जगह या ले लेगा सुकून वाला, तो उसके मुताबिक फिर वो
और
हरकत भी चेंज हो
this is
जाएगी।
what is the status of bi musrihi?
It is jar.
Yeah, so it is not musrihun actually, it is musrihina. Right? Bi musrihina. Right? Bi musrihina. We drop this noon, right? And then musrihiyya. So even with musrihuna, if it was Rafa version, still same process gonna happen, right? Same process gonna happen. So Rafa version also musrihiyya and Nasab and Jar version would be musrihiyya as well. Make sense?
हाँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह या के वजह से।
Yes. So that's what we are talking about, how ya mutakallim, like we need to go through some changes when it is being attached. Then I still have, let me finish this one, ya mutakallim with ism maksura. What is ism maksur?
Broken plural.
Broken plural.
No.
That was with the kaf, it's qaf.
Yeah, maksura, ka, yeah.
Broken plural is maksur.
With the kaf, yeah.
Right? So what is maksur in from kasara?
Ending with yeah.
But when we say maqsur, this is related to alif maksura. Okay, this is from kasar. What is kasar mean? Kasar sala. Kasar sala. What is kasar sala? You make it short.
Short, cut off.
Yeah, exactly. So this ya is, this alif is alif maksura. So that's the difference we should know. So now what's gonna happen when ya mutakallim is going to attach with ism maksura? Dua is Allahumma aslih li dini. So what is the status of Dini over here? What is the status of Dini here?
Majroor.
Mansub.
Okay.
Because of leave.
Okay. Because of leave?
Isafa pregnant.
No.
Mansub because it's the
दीना नी था वो दीना नी
is the
यानी
maful
Okay,
इस्तेराब कर दे मेरे लिए मेरे दिन को
okay. Now this dua is your homework. We are out of time, so I'm gonna give you to have some brain juice. Okay, and so this is I'm gonna share in the group. This is your homework, and this is not only this one. Plus, you need to give me all what we talk about Ya Mutakallim with example how it brings changes when it is attaching two different things. With ism, with harf, right? With Jama Muzakkar Salim, whatever we have talked about, you need to listen to the recording again, or if you are genius enough, you understand everything 100%, you are going to write it down like a summary with example. Okay, so you explain Ya Mutakallim and Na, right? What is so special about them? Make sense? Plus this dua, you are going to work on that. What is what? Figure it out. Do the i'rab of it, and inshallah next class we can discuss. I'm gonna end session here.